Welcome to Wealth Wave, where we explore financial strategies, investment opportunities, and the principles of wealth creation to help you ride the wave toward financial freedom. In today's video, we're breaking down the concept of the wealth wave and showing you how anyone, yes, anyone, can start building wealth today. Stick around to the end because we'll share actionable steps you can take right now to begin your journey. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you find value in this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your financial goals and strategies. What is the wealth wave? The wealth wave is a metaphor for the opportunities and strategies available today to grow your financial resources. Think of it as catching a wave in the ocean. If you paddle at the right time and with the right technique, you'll ride the waves smoothly to shore. In financial terms, this means leveraging trends, tools, and principles to achieve your financial goals. But here's the thing. The wealth wave isn't reserved for the elite or the ultra-rich. It's accessible to anyone willing to learn and take action. With the right mindset and strategies, you can position yourself to ride the wave toward financial independence. The key components of the wealth wave. To successfully ride the wealth wave, you need to focus on three key components. 1. Mindset. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial journey. Building wealth starts with believing that it's possible. Shift your focus from scarcity to abundance and from instant gratification to long-term success. Wealthy individuals think differently about money. They see it as a tool to create opportunities rather than just a means to survive. 2. Education. Knowledge is power when it comes to building wealth. Understand the basics of personal finance, like budgeting, saving, and investing. Learn about different asset classes, such as stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrency. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. 3. Action. Education without action is like paddling without catching the wave. Start small if you have to, but start today. Whether it's opening a savings account, setting up a budget, or investing in an index fund, every step you take moves you closer to your goals. Remember, consistency is key. How to start riding the wealth wave today? Here are some practical steps to help you get started. 1. Set clear goals. Define what financial success looks like for you. Is it retiring early? Owning a home? Traveling the world? Clear goals will give you direction and motivation. 2. Create a budget. A budget is the roadmap to your financial future. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. 3. Build an emergency fund. Before you invest, ensure you have an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will act as a safety net and prevent you from dipping into your investments during tough times. 4. Start investing. Investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth. Begin with simple options like index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. If you're unsure where to start, consider using robo-advisors or consulting a financial planner. 5. Leverage technology. Today's digital tools make wealth building easier than ever. Use budgeting apps, investment platforms, and educational resources to stay on track. Automation can also help you save and invest consistently. 6. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Join communities or networks of individuals who are also focused on building wealth. This will help you stay motivated and learn from others' experiences. The power of compounding. One of the most important principles of the wealth wave is the power of compounding. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. When you invest your money, the returns you earn are reinvested, allowing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Even small amounts invested today can turn into substantial sums in the future. Common mistakes to avoid while riding the wealth wave. Beware of these common pitfalls. 1. Procrastination. The best time to start was yesterday. 1. The second best time is today. 2. Overcomplicating things. You don't need to be a financial expert to start. 2. Keep it simple and focus on building good habits. 3. Neglecting risk management. Always diversify your investments and avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. 4. Emotional decisions. Markets fluctuate. 4. Don't let fear or greed dictate your financial choices. Final thoughts. Riding the wealth wave is about taking control of your financial future. With the right mindset, education, and consistent action, you can achieve your financial goals and build a life of abundance. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below and let us know what your first step will be toward riding the wealth wave. Let's build wealth together, one wave at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.